You have a small crack on the upper left-hand quadrant. Okay. How long has it been cracked like this for?
About 3 weeks, 4 weeks.
So 3 weeks, 4 weeks now?
Yeah.
Okay. And has it affected touch response or anything like that yet?
Yeah.
All right. That's cool. It looks like you have Lightroom to a little bit of video editing, huh? Price of $229 to repair it.
$229?
Yeah. And this includes the parts and labor. At that repair price, I can also include like a 1 year accidental protection for your screen. So in case it cracks like this again, the company can reimburse up to $300 for your next repair.